Welcome to this look at a really unique laser leveler. The things that I really liked about this, number one, were the price. It really is attractively priced. This case is also really nice. Built-in handle, got some really nice latches here. This is meant to keep this device safe and sound in your truck or car or shop. When you release those latches, we see how this is laid out. This is the laser level itself, and this guy's got gimbals. You do have to make sure that you get this guy leveled up. It's only got about 3 degrees of self-correction in it. So once you get it set up, and it will tell you if it's not set up right, when you set it up and it's on an angle, cocked one way or the other, it's going to beep at you and it's going to flash the laser and say, hey, this is not true. I know that I'm up against my stops. So it is pretty good at preventing us from creating an issue. This is the optical lock and the on and the off switch right here. Right now, all of the optics in this, all the parts that pivot to find the level, they're all locked in position and the power is off. Now, these are the batteries, and I'll show you setting this up and putting it on a tripod. But when you slide one of these batteries on, notice nothing is happening, but as soon as you click the switch, now all of a sudden you're getting laser output. And see how it's complaining when it's not level? Once you get it level and it's within reason, it'll shut up and give you what you want. Now you do have a choice between horizontal lines or vertical lines or both. You can turn both of them on, which I find is really helpful for getting this guy lined up and in use for what I need to do. And I'm going to show you a quick video at the end of this of me using this to install a rifle rack. But you get 2 batteries with this kit. You also get this device here, which I have to admit, I really don't know where they intend for this to be used. This doesn't fit on the base, so I'm not really sure what this bit is for. This bit seems to be an adapter to go from 1/4 inch to a much larger tripod. It does come with a remote, which is pretty handy if you're away from the unit and you want to signal it to give you horizontal or vertical. Any of those commands you can certainly do with this. It does have a battery protection tab in here, so you want to make sure you pull that out before you put it into use. Now this is a adjustable parallel table. So this is going to give you some fine adjustment. If you had this sitting on a table or a flat surface, this is going to give you some really fine adjustment for adjusting the position of the laser unit up and down. Pretty handy to have that. You know, the things that are included in the kit I really like, but they're very poorly explained in the manual, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But this guy seems to be magnetic and adjustable in that we can turn it. Once we get it mounted on the laser, we can turn it. With this, we can use this wheel to adjust it up and down along this arm. This arm also has a pivot adjustment as well within, you know, some level of articulation. And you know, it's the attachments. Oh, look at that. You actually get a really fine angular adjustment with this knob on this bracket. So if you had to dial this in, you could. Also comes with this metal plate with a bunch of screw holders, but no screws and no explanation how to use it. This does attach pretty well to that. So maybe you could use this to mount it in a situation. The magnets do hold very strong on this plate. But that really brings me to the only thing I really didn't care for, and that is this manual. Claims to be the product instruction manual, but not one image in this entire manual is devoted to any of the accessories in this kit. Literally, the only thing it shows you is the laser head itself. And I think they're not doing themselves any service there. I mean, you can figure it out. You can use these attachments to get you where you need to go. But it would have been so much better if this manual did a better job of telling us how to actually use this. Now I'm going to set this back to 0. And put this away. And yeah, I mean, charging this guy up is pretty straightforward. The batteries themselves have a USB-C port right here. You can see this one's already fully charged. They do give us a wall outlet USB-C charger for these. So you get 2 batteries. I got one charging offline. It goes in here. And then the laser unit itself gets right down in the case here. And this device, the device I can't really determine where it goes. This might be for a measuring stick, to attach this to a measuring stick to get a plumb line. I'm not really sure. Again, the instructions really don't tell us what it's used for, so we got to figure that out. But you know, as far as being an effective laser level, absolutely it is. It does a great job, and I'll show you how I used it. All right, so I'm going to use a photo tripod on mine. You know, anything you got that's a stable mount for this is going to work fine. But this particular tripod has a foot that attaches to the tripod head, and we get that locked in. And then we're going to take this fully charged battery and put it in, and then we need to release the optics inside and turn the power on. That's the switch. And there we go. And luck would have it, I got really close to being level right out of the box. So I'm going to show you what happens when you're not level. It starts yelling at you and flashing the light, and you know that you don't have a good line. Once you get it in a position where it quiets down, you're fine, and you can use that. And I did use this to great effect. It actually worked quite well and gave me a really nice installation. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm just going to put my other battery away now that it's charged up, and I'm going to put the charger back in the case as well. I thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. I hope my review of this product was helpful, and you know what to expect when you purchase one yourself. Again, it does a great job at being a laser level. I just wish they'd done a little better job communicating how to use it. But I was able to figure it out and use it for what I needed it for. Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great week.